Welcome to Zara Beauty Recipe. I'm going to be sharing a special face pack with you, the Vaseline Blue Seal and Egg Yolk Face Mask that will make your face very smooth, young and beautiful in just one day. From the first day of usage, you start seeing special marked difference on your face. I'm going to put in 1 spoon of the Vaseline Blue Seal in a clean bowl, and then bring in the egg. You break the egg, remove the egg white, and only put in the egg yolk. Here I have the egg yolk. You can see it. I've removed the egg white from it, and then I'm going to mix all together. Make sure they are well mixed. The Vaseline has to melt into the egg yolk thoroughly. The egg yolk and the Vaseline Blue Seal, they are all properly mixed together. You cannot separate it. It's very smooth. After washing your face very clean, you now apply this special mixture on your face. Stay with it for 1 hour and you wash. You are advised to do that in the morning and in the evening. From the first day of usage, you start to see the difference on your face. Your face will be very smooth. All the large pores on your face will be tightened, making your face very smooth, and all the wrinkles will disappear and make your face very young. Thank you very much for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. Please just scroll down and watch our other interesting beauty and hair care tips. And also click on that subscribe button so that you'll be updated as soon as we upload new videos for you. You can also follow our Facebook page at Zara Beauty Recipe or at Zara Niger. Thank you.